Hey guys, it's Moshe from Black River. Right behind me is the Matrix XL, is the latest and greatest version that we have. And today we are replacing topper number 1 with this right behind me. So the first topper we ever made was for this truck, which is an 8-foot bed. We went away from that for a while, made more popular bed lengths, the short beds, 6.5 length beds, those kinds of things. That there were more demand for those. Now in 2025, we're coming back to the 8-foot beds. So this is very, very exciting to show our new and improved toppers going on an 8-foot bed.
So first we're gonna unbolt it from our fixture here, pick it up, set it on here. Make sure we get everything aligned the way that we want it, and then we'll move on to putting our bed clamps on. So once you've got it on like this, the next step's gonna be to put your clamps on underneath. So this is our power version. So you've got 2 struts that are assisting with the opening, and also a powered actuator that's automatically running it up and down with a button push. Got about 1,000 newtons of assist from the gas struts, and then another 600 or 700 from the actuator.
So yesterday we finished the install. Today our customer Randy is here to check out his special edition 8-foot Matrix XL topper. He's getting it all packed out. They travel a ton, so let's go see what they got going on.
Hey, so my name's Albert. Today we're going to introduce close friends Randy and Holly. We're here because they were customers number 1 for the Matrix topper. Not just a customer, frankly, but just prototype crazy adventures with us. So,
yeah, we are here because for the last 3 years we've been driving around with the first prototype of the Matrix topper on our truck, number 001. And after telling people, trust me, use your imagination, they look a lot different now. Albert talked us into getting the latest and greatest installed, so we have spent the last day out here with the good folks at Black River getting the brand new, latest generation power top Matrix installed on our truck. And it's blowing my mind, it's fantastic. And this is my wonderful wife, Holly. We've done everything. We've been all over the Southwest, the Southeast. We keep our toys in here. It's completely enabled us to live our lifestyle of being completely on the road. This is a fantastically useful enabling device for us on our truck. It's just been wonderful.
This is the garage space. We've got our camper, travel trailer as our house, and then this is the much needed extra space to keep all of our hobbies, spare water, spare gas, spare everything.
Yeah, time flip.
Yep. Got it. Yeah, so this is the first one we made 3 or 4 years ago.
Yeah.
Right, Randy?
Yep.
So what happened? I mean, I would have loved to have been in your shoes when you pull in somewhere or you come out from Menards. What happens?
I wouldn't say it's always different. It's a lot of the same reactions. I've had people follow me until I stopped somewhere. I'll pull into a gas station. I just was at a sign shop and a truck whips in behind me and he says, I've been following you for half a mile waiting for you to pull over so I could ask you about that.
We had somebody get pulled over by a policeman and said,
Good, you told me.
crazy,
Yeah.
you know, what's going on here?
Yeah. So a lot of them ask, is that your camper? Did you build that yourself? You know, what is it? And so, yeah, I say, well, we did build it. It's from scratch. This is the first one. But so many people have shown so much interest in this thing. My buddy has started making them back in Iowa. And so I just say, use your imagination. They don't look like this anymore. It's a very polished, professional product. Thanks for watching. Holly and I have a lot to do back at camp, so we're going to get on our way. Thanks for watching.